like I'm feeling like a man. Lately, can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan.
Hey y'all, so we're going to jump right in. This unit is from LamourHairs. This is the HD Lace Kinky Straight Thick Density Hannah wig. Is in a length 22 inches, 180 density, and is a 13 by 6 with a deep parting space, clear hairline, and clear bleached knots. So I decided to go ahead and pluck it just a little bit along the hairline. And then I decided to go ahead and do some wand curls because I love doing wand curls on kinky straight hair. It looks so pretty and the curls hold so good. Alright you guys, so after I curled it, I put some Flexi rods in the hair. And I did leave these in for like 2 days. So now I'm just getting back to doing this unit. So they're still in. And then this is just what it looks like on the inside. It has the combs, adjustable straps. So I cut the lace off of camera and I did add a little bit of foundation to the lace just so it'll match with my skin tone. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and apply this unit. This unit was actually really easy to apply. I had to move that Flexi rod out of my face. And I decided to go ahead and use my own baby hairs because y'all know I have a low hairline. But you can use some baby hairs out of the unit. I'm going to go ahead and apply some Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this edge band around my hairline. And yes, you guys, bam, 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 bam. It laid down really easily. So I'm just taking a wipe, you know, getting everything situated, combing everything back so I can see what everything is looking like. Y'all already know I'm going to leave my little side tabs out. And then I'm going to take some even edge control and I just, you know, swooped my real edges around. And then I did put my band back on while I did my makeup. Alright, so now I'm just taking out all of the Flexi rods. And yes, I suggest wand curling your hair and then putting Flexi rods. It just makes the curls look so beautiful, so bouncy. But LamourHairs, they did that thing on this unit. It was so easy for me to apply, you guys. It didn't give me any trouble. It's minimal shedding. And yeah, so I decided to go ahead and do a side part. Excuse seeing my wig cap a little bit, but you won't see it once I get my hair all styled up. So I'm just taking a flat iron and I'm redirecting my part because I wasn't sure like how I was going to wear this unit, but then I should have known I was going to wear a side part. So I'm just spraying some freeze spray, you know, just getting it together, doing what needs to be done. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer to the part. So I'm just going to take some wax stick. It is a little bit of flyaways, but they're not bad. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that at the top and kind of like run that through the curls. As y'all can see, I'm running my fingers through these curls and they're not going anywhere. So this is some really good quality hair. The density is really nice on it. It has a beautiful luster and it is so pretty. Yes, I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. And this is just what the curls look like from the back. Super bouncy. I'm telling y'all, leave y'all Flexi rods in y'all wig. It's going to give y'all the bomb results and they're not going to go away fast at all. And so this is how it turned out. And I decided I want to see it up, but not too high up. So the ponytail is sitting back. So I'm just gathering in the ponytail. And then I'm going to take some of the hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the base so the ponytail holder doesn't show. And this is what it's giving. It's giving cute, cute, cute. Love it, love it, love it. Hey MB crew, so we have now made it to the end of the video. Y'all see this hair is popping. I'm feeling myself. Like really, to be honest, the hair is speaking for itself. Like I really don't even have to say anything. Y'all see, yeah, it's giving bomb, it's giving it girl, it's giving the vibes, it's giving let me go throw on a cute dress and go give me a cocktail. Okay? I mean, the hair is giving. The hair is doing everything that it needs to do. It's giving Black Barbie realness. You guys know this unit is from LamourHairs and it is a beautiful, beautiful unit. You guys, it is kinky straight. One of my favorite, the kinky straight is my favorite texture of hair when it comes to straight hair because it just fits. Like, you know, it goes with, you know, it looks like natural hair relaxed or straightened or whatever. And it holds a really good curl. Really, really good curl. Like, y'all, I curled this hair like 2 days ago and then I flexi rodded. So it's been sitting in the flexi rods for like 2 days. So that's why the curls are like super bouncy. Like these curls are not going to go anywhere. Like I could really have these curls for at least, I would say 4 to 5 days, to be honest. Depending on how you wrap your hair up at night. Like if you like wrap it all up in a bun and let it down, these curls will be in. This hair is Barbie hair. This hair is so cute. This hair is bomb. This wig is doing what it needs to do. It is giving what it needs to give. Y'all see I did leave my natural baby hairs out. It does come a little bit plucked, but I did pluck it a little bit more. And it is a 13 by 6. As you guys know, this unit is really bomb. Like you can do styles in the front. You can part it however you want. You could do braids up top. You know, it's a really, really nice unit, you guys. Mine's is in, what inch did I get this in? This is 22 inches, you guys. So it is long, but of course it's curled up. But I really love the quality of this hair, y'all. It's really soft. It's really nice. It feels really good against the skin. And I'm just loving it. Like, it's so cute. It's so bomb. It holds a curl. It's not all like fly away all over your head when you go outside. It just is really nice. It has structure. And that's what I like in a good wig. And it fit my hair really good. You guys, y'all know I got a little head. So I'm giving it an A+. Make sure you guys check out LamourHairs. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The unit that I'm rocking will be in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.